All right, listen up. There's a new AI tool that just dropped, and it's basically trying to replace your entire Office suite with agents. I'm talking documents, spreadsheets, slide decks, podcasts, even websites, all from one prompt. And the crazy part, it can research hundreds of web pages in minutes to build you stuff that would normally take hours or even days. I'm going to show you exactly what this thing does and how people are already using it to make money. Hey there, so if you haven't already noticed, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So here's what most people don't get about AI tools right now. Everyone's still using ChatGPT like it's 2023. They're typing in one prompt, getting one answer, copying and pasting into Google Docs, then jumping over to Canva to make slides, then back to another tool for research. It's a mess. You're basically doing the same amount of work, just with AI sprinkled on top. Skywork Super Agents is different. This thing is built like a team of specialists. You've got a document agent, a slides agent, a sheets agent, a podcast agent, and even a web page agent. Each one knows exactly what it's supposed to do. And here's the kicker. They all work together under one main planner that coordinates everything. So instead of you being the project manager, jumping between 5 different tools, the AI does it for you. Let me break down what each agent actually does. The document agent can pump out research reports, business plans, blog posts, even contracts with proper citations and formatting. The slides agent builds you full presentation decks with layouts, fonts, images, the whole thing. The sheets agent analyzes data, runs calculations, builds charts. The podcast agent turns your text into actual audio content with voice synthesis. And the web page agent creates structured web pages or mini sites from just a brief. Now, before you think this is just another overhyped AI tool, here's what makes it legit. Skywork scored 82.42 on something called the Gaia benchmark. That's higher than OpenAI's deep research tool. What does that mean in real terms? It means when this thing does research, it's actually digging deep. We're talking scanning hundreds of web pages per task, not just surface level stuff. And look, I used to work full-time as a mechanic. I was turning wrenches every single day. But thanks to learning how to use tools like this, I've been able to transition to making money full-time online. The difference between where I was and where I am now came down to one thing: understanding how to use AI tools to deliver actual value to businesses, not just playing around with them. So let me show you where this gets interesting for making money. Most people are going to use Skywork to make their own work easier. Cool, but that's not where the opportunity is. The opportunity is in the gap between what businesses need and what they know how to do with AI. Think about it. A local law firm needs a 40-page research report on new regulations. Normally, they'd pay a paralegal 20 hours to put that together. With Skyworks Document Agent, you could have a fully cited, properly formatted report done in under an hour. A real estate agency needs a polished investor deck for a new development project. The slides agent can build that while you're getting coffee. Here's what I'm seeing work right now. People are packaging these agents as done-for-you services. You're not selling Skywork, you're selling the output. Research reports for consultants, slide decks for sales teams, data analysis for marketing agencies, podcast production for coaches and experts. These are all things businesses already pay for. You're just delivering it 10 times faster. One feature that actually matters here is something called clarification cards. Before Skywork just runs with your prompt, it asks you follow-up questions. What's your goal? Who's the audience? What's the style? What are the constraints? This is huge because it stops the AI from going off in the wrong direction. You're not wasting credits on garbage outputs you have to redo 3 times. The interface is set up around workspaces, not chats. So you pick which agent you need, tell it what type of task you're doing, answer those clarification questions, and then it builds you the actual artifact. You're working with real documents, real slides, real spreadsheets, not just text in a chat window that you have to copy paste somewhere else. Now let's talk about pricing, because this matters if you're thinking about offering this as a service. Skywork runs on credits. New users get 500 credits per day for the first month, then 500 credits per week after that. The paid plan is about $20 a month or $150 a year. That gets you deeper research, priority processing, higher credit limits, and commercial use rights. Here's the play. If you're running an agency or doing client work, That paid plan pays for itself with one client. Let's say you charge a business $500 for a research report and slide deck combo. Your cost is $20 for the month. You do that twice and you're profitable. Do it 10 times and you're printing money. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment on these videos. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this tool. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I am currently offering for free. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the AI software I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. All right, so let me give you some specific ways people are using this right now. Consultants are using the document agent to create industry reports and white papers. Instead of spending weeks researching and writing, they're pumping these out in a day. Marketing agencies are using the slides agent to create pitch decks and client presentations. Real estate agents are using it to build property analysis reports with the sheets agent, pulling in market data and building charts automatically. Here's one that's sneaky good. Podcast production. A lot of coaches, consultants, and small business owners know they should have a podcast, but they don't because it's too much work. The podcast agent can turn written content into full audio episodes with voice synthesis. You could offer podcast production as a service where you're just feeding the AI their blog posts or interviews and turning them into episodes. Another moneymaker is investor reports for small businesses. Think about local businesses that want to get a loan or bring on investors. They need detailed financial projections, market analysis, and competitor research all packaged into a professional document. The Sheets agent can crunch the numbers while the document agent writes the analysis. You could charge $1,000 to $3,000 per report and knock it out in a few hours instead of a few days. The web page agent is another one people are sleeping on. Small businesses need landing pages, product pages, mini sites for campaigns. Most of them are paying $500 to $2,000 for a basic landing page. With Skywork, you can build structured web pages from a brief in minutes. You're not replacing a full custom website, but for simple stuff, it's more than good enough. Now, here's the thing nobody's talking about. The real power is in stacking these agents together. You're not just using one at a time. Let's say a client needs a full campaign package. You use the document agent to research their market and write the strategy. Then the slides agent builds the presentation deck. Then the web page agent creates the landing page. Then the podcast agent turns the strategy into an audio brief for their team. That's a $5,000 package you just delivered in a few hours. Compare that to the old way. You'd need a researcher, a writer, a designer, a web developer, and an audio producer. Or you'd need 5 different tools and you'd be the one stitching everything together. With Skywork, it's all in one place and the agents coordinate with each other. But let me be real with you about something. This tool is not magic. You still need to know what good output looks like. If you don't know what a solid research report needs, the AI can't read your mind. If you've never built a pitch deck before, you won't know if what Skywork gives you is actually good or just looks good. The tool makes you faster, but you still need the skills. That's why I always tell people in my community, learn the fundamentals first. Understand what businesses actually need. Know what quality work looks like. Then use AI to scale up. Don't try to fake it and hope the AI covers for you. That's how you end up with unhappy clients and a bad reputation. Here's my honest take on Skywork super agents. It's not going to replace everything. You're still going to need human judgment, client communication, and strategy. But for the actual production work, the research, the writing, the slide building, the data analysis, this thing is a serious time saver. The businesses that win with AI aren't the ones using it to cut corners. They're the ones using it to deliver more value in less time. They're taking on more clients. They're expanding their service offerings. They're building businesses that would have required a full team 5 years ago. And look, I get it. Every week there's a new AI tool that claims to change everything. Most of them are just hype. But when a tool scores higher than OpenAI's research tool on actual benchmarks and gives you 5 specialized agents that work together, that's worth paying attention to. If you want to try this out, they've got a free tier to test it. 500 credits a day for your first month. That's enough to actually see what it can do. Build a few reports, make some slide decks, see if the quality is good enough for client work, then decide if the paid plan makes sense. So here's what I want you to do. First, go grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I break down exactly how to land AI subscription-based clients and actually get paid for this stuff. Not just theory, real strategies that are working right now. Plus, you get access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software tool I use to run my business and get clients. The link's in the description and in the comments. Second, try out Skywork and see if it fits into your workflow. Don't just play with it. Actually use it for something real. Build something you could show a client, see where it saves you time and where you still need to step in. And third, drop a comment below. Tell me what kind of services you're thinking about offering with tools like this. The real Nick reads every comment and he might even reply to yours. That's it for this one. If you got value out of this, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools and money-making strategies. I'll see you in the next one.